Sometimes you can get into a dangerous situation when you have to risk your life, faced with agonizing decision, or fight against all odds. You can even get injuries. There are different kinds of injuries. You can fracture your ankle, сломать лодыжку, cut your finger, порезать палец, sprain your wrist, растянуть запястье, scratch your face, отцарапать лицо, bruise your knee, поставить синяк на колени. As a result, you can have a swollen neck, распухшая шея, feel a nagging pain, испытывать ноющую боль. You can even be unconscious, быть без сознания. In all these cases, you must be treated. Treat – лечить. Pay attention to this form. Must be treated. It's passive. We use passive when 1. The person who carries out the action is unknown, unimportant, or obvious from the context. Coffee beans are grown in Brazil. 2. When the action itself is more important than the person who carries it out. The new hospital will be opened on May 15th. 3. When we refer to an unpleasant event and we do not want to say who or what is to blame. A lot of mistakes have been made. Pay attention to the word order in passive sentences. Subject, I. Verb, was invited. Agent, by Tom. All the forms of passive verbs are made of to be plus third form of the verb.